Hi, I'm Jim Pinkham, MarineMax Lake Norman, 704-997-2168. Today, 230 Solstice is powered by a Mercury 4-stroke 200 horsepower outboard engine. Has a real nice large rear deck. Has a stainless wraparound fencing. Flip-flop seat in the back. This big sun lounger. Here you've got dual console captain's chairs that recline. Pop-up changing room, side entry door. Ski locker built into the floor. Nice detailing on the seats and the upholstery. Also has a quick clip system for the fenders. Simply take the little clip, push into the side. Very easy. Keeps you from having to find a place to tie off the ropes. This has the digital shifting, built-in Simrad fish finder, chart plotter, tilt steering wheel, JL audio stereo system. This is the 2020 230 Solstice by Harris. If you want to come by MarineMax Lake Norman, again, I'm Jim Pinkham at 704-997-2168.